Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all of you. Today we are going to study lesson number 6 for grade 2 mathematics, and we are studying this from the Carnival book for grade 2. And today our topic is comparing and ordering numbers. Let me select this first. Okay. Now, so we are at page number 13. Sorry, we start from page number 12 first. This is the page number 12 and this is the topic comparing and ordering numbers. Okay, so comparing means we are going to have one or more we are going to have more than one number here, and we have to compare them in both of these numbers, which is greater and which is smaller. So look at the numbers here. This is saying look at the numbers 431 and 528. These are the two numbers. Which number is greater? So if you look at the figures, you will count first the hundreds 1, 2, 3, 4, and you write here 4 is written, and you will check how many tens are there. 1, 2, and 3. 3 tens are there, and only 1 is there. So we write 100 first, then 3 first, then 3, then 1 to make it standard form, and then we check on the second figure and count their hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 500, 2 tens, and 8 ones. So it's 5 to 8. Whenever you are comparing one or more, whenever you are comparing two numbers, so first you need to look at the 100 places. So look here. If there are 3 digits, so you need to check there first 100 numbers. Here on 100 places it's 4, and here on 100 places 5. So it's quite easy to decide which is greater, which is smaller. 5 is greater than 4, so you will say 528 is greater than 431. This is the sign of greater. This is the sign of greater. This mouth should be opened on the greater side. Like 5 is greater than 4, so I write here 5 greater than. The mouth is open in front of 5, 4. Okay. So when 5 is greater than 4, so you will say 528 will be greater than 431, because 5, here we have 500s and here we have 400. Okay. So now let's move to the book page number 13. Page number 13, we have same topic, comparing and ordering numbers. What's the saying? First compare the hundreds. 500 is greater than 400, so 528 is greater than 431. They are saying same thing. When we compare hundreds, so we found out that 5 is greater than 4, 500 is greater than 400. That's why 528 is greater than 431. Here also mentioned that this sign is known as greater than. This sign known as greater than. How you write greater? In a symbol you write like this, or you write like GREATER, greater, THEN, than. Okay. If I write any number now, like 721 I write here, and 526. So I will check here 500, here 700. So which number is greater? I will say 721 is greater than 526. Why? Because on 100's place 7 and 100 place here 5. So 7 is greater than 5. That's why 721 is greater than 526. Again, I will take one more example here. I will take, let's suppose, 223. It's 23 and 5. So there is only ones place, this is 5, and there are tens place, so obviously this 23 is greater than 5. In that way you have to check. Okay. Let's move to the further part of the book. What another example the book is giving. Compare 472 and 475. Look here. There in this example you will find hundreds are same here and here also. Guys, when hundreds are same, so you will go for checking the 7. I'll show you what is this y here. Yes. This 3, 2, 4 and 5, 2, 6. I'll go to the book again. First I'm just making you practice a little bit. This is, there are how many hundred? There are 300, right? 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5, or I can say 5 is greater than 3. So you will say that 324 will be less than 526, or you can say 526 is greater than 324. Why? Because the amount is because 5 is greater than 3, and that's why 5 is greater, so 528 6 is greater, so I will make this amount opened in front of 5. Same. If I come to next, what is the next example I am giving you? If the hundreds are same, like here 4 and here also 4. Now if the hundreds are same, then I will check their tens. On the tens position here it is 6, and on the tens position here it is 3. So either 3 is greater or 6 is greater. 6 is greater, so do we know that now that 462 is greater than 439. Okay, why? Because on tens place 6 is greater than 3. Now, if what happens if the tens place value is also same, like here in the book you can see. I'll show you the book. What happens when you have 100 value same also and tens value same also? Then you will go for ones. If you have same value in 100, same value in tens, that is 4 and 7, then you will go for ones. And then if 2 is less than 5, so you will say 475 is greater than 472, or I will make greater sign like this, or I can say 472 is smaller than 470. So first we have to compare the hundreds. Both numbers have 400, so next compare the tens. Both numbers have 7 tens. Then compare the ones. The two ones is smaller than 5 ones. That's why 472 is smaller than 475. And how you will write it in symbolic form, that 472 less than. This mouth should be closed when you are talking about less than. 472 less than 475. Or you can say 475 is greater than 472. Right? Where is the mouse? Where is the cursor? This. Okay. So, in short, when comparing 3-digit number, always compare the digits in 100 place first, then go to the tens place, then in the last check 1 place. Here we have one more example in the book, but we'll do it later. Okay. Coming back to the practice questions. I write here 326 or 321. So I will check here hundreds. This is also 3. This is also 3. So I will check then tens. This is also 2 and this is also 2. Now I will check the ones. It's 6 and it's 1. So 6 is greater than 1. That's why 326 will be greater than 321. Now coming to the classwork which we completed in the notebook. So today is 6 September 2020, it's Sunday, and we are completing from page number 12 and 13. It's page number 13 and 12, okay. I write in the question here, compare each pair of the numbers and write the symbol greater than or smaller than. So this is the symbol of greater than. Okay, and this is a symbol of smaller than. So this is the first question, 105 and 15. There are 3-digit number and this is only 2-digit number. So you are, it is very easy to say for you that this is greater than. Why? Because it's only tens, ones and tens, and there are ones, tens, and also hundreds. So 105 is greater than 15. How to write greater than? This mouse should be open in front of 105. Now check the second one, it's 100. 1, check the 100, here 1 and here 2. So 2 is greater than 1, so I will write here like this. So 199 is actually smaller than 200, so I will close this mouth here and it will open up to 200. Next question is 647, that is with 764. So 6, I will check the 100, 6 and 7. 7 is greater than 6, so I will write here 647 is smaller than 764. Okay. Coming to part D, 4. 100 and 100s, here also 4, here also 4. Then I will check the tens position, it's 5 and it's 0. So 5 is greater than 0, that's why I will make a greater sign. This mouth should be opened in front of 450. Part E, 314. 3 same on 100 place, 1 on the tens place here and 4 on the tens place here. So 4 is greater than 1, that's why 314 is smaller than 341. This mouth should be closed in front of 340. And the last question, 110 versus 101. 1 on the 100 place, 1 on the 100 place, same, tens place here 1, but here 0. So 1 is greater than 0. That's why I'm saying 110 is greater than 101. So I hope you understand this, how to compare these two numbers. This is lesson number 6. And if you have any questions, you can ask me on WhatsApp and on class here as well. Thank you so much. I will meet you in the next one.